endless words without a meaning. Feared questions thrown at the wind, looking for answers in deep wells. Here the bricks are thick with old spells, dripping honey memories. The dry, empty, dirty bottom is all you'll see. Choose the words to play on the floor. I never set foot past the door. What you see is just desire, not a person but an ideal on fire. Why do you ask when the answer is never so clear? I could show you once again, but will you listen, dear? Will you listen, dear? There's an arrow, doubt and fear when you post a question. A blank veil takes a room and makes it look like the fake of a genuine thought. He said stop looking where the answer hides, just filled with brighter center flies. Shaking in the dark is the voice of reason. Instinct prevails in a house of treason. Why do you ask when the answer has always been so clear? I could show you once again, but will you listen, dear? I choose the colors to create this world. You never sat foot past my door. Listen, dear, I could show you once again, but will you listen, dear? I choose the colors to create this world.